We got lucky with the weather in the Bay Area. I have to say, I don't think that rabbit luck is gonna last long. When skis and snowboards are coming downhill, you can guess what awaits further up.
All right, I'll admit this blizzard is becoming a headache. The visibility is bad enough as it is, and now with the snow accumulating on the road. Stay focused. This is seriously treacherous. Whoa, that blizzard is getting intense. Can't be easy to see a whole lot. Careful. Visibility is dropping to nearly zero out there. You're gaining altitude as you head up into the Rockies. The air is thinner here, so if it seems harder to concentrate, that's why. Just focus on the road. Focus, and give this puppy all you got.
Okay, we made it through the worst of the storm. Good news is the weather's about to clear up. Bad news is there's snow everywhere now, and these mountain roads are twisty as hell.